know that there's a 24-hour coffee shop here in Japan, that it's a way to save money. So I'm here right now at Kaikatsu Club and we're gonna find out if this is really worth it. I'm gonna stay here for 12 hours. You can stay for whichever hours you want to stay. It's actually a coffee shop. It's actually a cafe, but we're gonna try to sleep here tonight. Yeah. In Japan, net cafes are a popular choice for many people due to their versatility. These cafes offer private booths that can be used similarly to hotel rooms, making them a convenient option for those seeking relaxation, entertainment, or cost-effective accommodation. I will avail this one. This is 12 hours, right? And with breakfast? I will translate here. Yeah. I will avail the 12 hours. Is this with sport? Yeah, so I decided to call it a day. We're gonna check out this place and let's see. So I'm gonna tour you around. It's widely available to every city in Japan, but mostly major cities around Japan. Upon entering the cafe, visitors are greeted by a hallway adorned with various anime-themed decorations, so mangas are everywhere around. The facilities include a photocopy machine, restroom, laundry services, shower, and a telephone room. During your stay here, guests can indulge in unlimited drinks including soft-serve ice cream, so I tried to make my own affogato. This is my cafe. I'm gonna put coffee here. Oops, affogato. For long-term guests who's gonna stay for an overnight, additional amenities such as showers and coin laundry are available. Depending on the location, some net cafes are part of a chain, but higher-tier options offer private rooms equipped with keycard access. The seating option range from single and double seats to completely private rooms, allowing guests to move between seats freely. For a fee of around 3,000 yen for 12 hours, I opted for the business regular room, which provided a computer, a telephone, electrical sockets. It's their menu. It's not too expensive. I just ate a while ago. My gosh, it's so nice. Like 200 pesos. Net cafes may offer additional amenities such as karaoke or billiards. While the space inside the room is limited, the experience is enhanced by the availability of unlimited coffee. So yeah, if you love anime and manga, they have tons of books here, like just to unwind and chill for a short period of time. You can chill here while you're waiting at your flight. Yun, kakaligo lang natin. I'm not a fan, so I don't know. We have lockers there and food. So this is my room for tonight. Business class. Naka-business class. So sinearch ko na rin yung pangalan ko kung lalabas pa siya pag tinype yung first name ko. Lumalabas pala siya. Yeah, mayroon tayong jacket dito na naka-display. So, naka-business class tayo ngayon. But it's important to note that these accommodations are not designed for comfortable overnight stays. However, if you're seeking a quiet and unique environment while waiting for a flight, it's definitely worth considering. For more details, you can visit their website, which I'll link below. So you can watch some anime films here. This ends my Kaikatsu Club experience. Now I'm heading to Kobe. I don't know if I can make it. I know that I can, but I will try. So if you're just gonna stay here with your bicycle, you have to remove everything. Like I have to remove all my panniers and put my my bicycle on the other side, but you have to choose first if it's on the lower floor because you have to pull out all your stuff. But it's really safe here in Japan that I can leave all my stuff, but still be aware. I still have to lock it even though I know it's safe. So yeah, Kaikatsu Club, 24 hours open, and wait for your port. Arigatou gozaimasu. Wow, chocolates. Really worth it experience if you just want. Wait lang.